Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure, another craft, another fun time with me. If you haven't already, there are other videos I've done on different crafts. If you go check out my channel, you can see all the other things I've done. I do stuff from wall hangings to various little knickknacks to things that are just sort of a spoof fun time. They're not always serious, so you get kind of a mixture of both things out of the art side here. But today we are going to be making something kind of adorable, and personally it's something that I find it's a sweet little touch. Pardon my jokes, because they're definitely sweet treats. But what we're making today are little containers. Mine are actually full of beads because I have tons of these laying around. I have an assortment of containers that carry my beads. I have ones that don't need their camera roll cases. This one's a camera roll case from years ago. I have cases upon cases of beads, and they're not the most attractive thing. I kind of just keep them in a box all together and don't really look at them that often because I don't usually use my smaller beads, or if I do, it's not until I remember that they're there because I kind of just forget about the containers. But today I decided that I would put them to use and I'd make them a little more attractive, something that I might keep out and so I remember more often that they're there. So I have turned them into small little treats. This one is a sundae. Well, sundae, it's an ice cream. I don't know if it's a sundae, it doesn't have all the beautiful toppings on it. And this one's a cupcake. And they're totally still functional. I mean, they still close and everything like a container should, and they still hold everything they're going to. And it's a really simple craft. It's hot glue, it's paint, it's beads, and it's fun. So let's get into that. We're gonna take a look at making these little things, and you know, while you're watching it, if you would like, comment on how you're enjoying it, or if you don't enjoy it at all at the end, and don't forget to subscribe to me. Thanks guys, let's go down and play here. making these little sweet treat container holders. They were actually really fun to make, and I'm having a lot of fun doing them because there's a variety of things you can do with them, obviously. You can make these any color you wanted. I went with some of the most typical colors for things like cupcakes and ice cream that were recognizable, I should say. But in the future, I'd probably do more rainbowy stuff because I really enjoy having a lot of color. If you couldn't tell by the hair. But so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys try this if you want. And even if you wanted to make it even a little cushier, so to speak, when you put it down, you can continue the hot glue across the bottom to make kind of a netting, which will actually hold all of it together a bit nicer. It'll hold just fine like this, but just if you're into safety precautions. So anyways, these are little sweet treat holders. Hold your beads in them. Hold your other beads in them. Hold all your beads in them. I don't know what else people usually hold in these, because I just hold beads in them. But put whatever you like in them. Put your treats in there or something. Put your pet's treats. Maybe I'll put my hedgehog's treats in here. I could put a bunch of her small treats in here, because she only eats tiny things. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave my social media links down below. And I hope you guys try these and have fun with them when you make them. Let me know if you guys did them, and let me know what you think when you try it. So, bye guys.